So it's the moment of truth. Fermented or pickled? Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. It's been 2 weeks and it's time for the taste test for my pepperoncini. And I'd be doing this in the kitchen, but there's quite a bit of commotion in the house where you have a special guest and there's just all kinds of stuff going on. So too loud in there to be able to do this. But let's go ahead and get straight to it. Well, let's try the pickled first because I'm used to pickled. And I'll see how it compares to the Mazzetta brand that's my favorite for pickled pepperoncini. Let's see. No, that's not my mouth. Yeah, that's good. They're not quite as, I guess, tangy as Mazzetta. Mazzetta uses white wine vinegar, I think, and this is just white vinegar. Yeah, those are good. Okay, great. Now I've got a wasp flying in here, wanting to join the festivities. Okay, we will ignore him for now, or her, it. Okay, fermented. Oh, it is different. And remember, these both have the same spices in them. They were spiced the same. The only difference was this one had brine with a tiny bit of vinegar to help use as a fermentation starter, unfiltered vinegar. This had vinegar with a little bit of salt. And this is mostly salt water and a little bit of vinegar. Only difference. Oh yeah. These definitely have a more full-bodied flavor, but it's definitely different. A more full-bodied flavor. Let's try this again over here. Yeah. I guess these are more light and refreshing, I guess, and these more flavorful and rich, but oh, which one's better? Neither. They're both good, which is kind of what I was expecting anyway. I'm never good at picking out the best of anything because I like so many different things. Hey, do them both, and then use the ones that are appropriate for whatever dish you're making, your meal, or whatever you feel like at the time. But hey, the important thing is to do it. So hey, go ahead and ferment, go ahead and pickle, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. And, well, the way God created the universe to make fermentation and pickling possible. God bless y'all. See you next time.